Welcome to Poppy's Potting Shed. I set up Poppy's Potting Shed last year in lockdown. Completely by accident. I transformed my garden at home and found that there was a shortage of compost, there was a shortage of plants. So I took it upon myself to find a wholesaler and started supplying to friends, family and the local community, and then it just went a little bit mental. People just want to make their homes look amazing. Like, it's all about taking the photo and putting it on Instagram and like your kitchen looks beautiful and plants and flowers offer that finishing touch. Enjoy.
Sure.
Thank you for coming in. It was never like a business plan. There was never like, oh, I'm going to set up a houseplant shop. Like I say, it just kind of happened and here I am.